Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. So today we're gonna make carnitas. I have a pork Boston butt right here. Just cut pieces. Check this marbling out. Beautiful, right guys? It's gonna be some tender carnitas. Just work around the bone. So here is what it looks like. Just got a bunch of chunks. We got the bone, flavor for sure. Just a bunch of little pieces. So I went to the meat market last night and I bought some pork fat. So let's go fire up that disco and let's get some carnitas. I'm not gonna season right now. I'll season in the middle of the cook. I really don't know the ratio as far as the fat to the meat. 7 pounds. I would think 5 pounds of fat would be good. Let me lick my fingers because this looks delicious. The spoon in the hot oil, you see it bubbling? That's when you know your oil is ready to go. So let's put in the carnitas. Come in here and move it. We don't want it getting stuck to the bottom of it. Let me crank up this heat so we can get these fried. I thought it was hot enough. So what I'm looking for is for the carnitas to fry on the outside. I'm looking for this golden brown color. After that happens, we're gonna lower the heat. Bomb. So this is the color that I'm looking for. The classic golden brown on the carnitas. So at this point, I'm gonna just lower down the heat. I mean really low, and let these guys simmer in the fat. All right guys, this is where we're gonna create our slurry for the carnitas. So I got some salt, got a handful. We're gonna put half onion, peeling and all, because I'm gonna go ahead and strain this as well. A whole head of garlic. We're gonna put some cinnamon sticks. Put a whole one in there. We're gonna put some whole black peppercorns. Then we're gonna put some allspice. A couple of those. Then we're gonna add some cumin. Or tablespoon. Let me blend this up. And here's the slurry. We got an orange, a couple bay leaves. Damn, I came outside. And you know when you go to a restaurant and you can smell their carnitas? Same thing here, man. The whole backyard smells like carnitas. Look at how beautiful these guys are. Look at that color. Add our fresh orange. Bomb. Got a couple bay leaves up in here. 4 bay leaves. Let's go ahead and just pour it in. It smells outstanding, guys. I mean, outstanding. And just mix it. If you're wondering what's all this white foam, it's onion and garlic. I can't tell you guys what this smells like. Incredible. And mind you, I haven't made carnitas 15, 20 years for sure. All right, guys, I pulled most of them off because they're all done. But I just wanted to show you guys real quick what this looks like. Bomb. And as you squeeze it, it just falls apart. They're done already. Bomb, guys. Carnitas are ready. So they took about 2.5 hours, 3 hours. They're still hot. Bomb. Show you what we got right here. Bomb. Put that right there. So all I got is some cilantro, cebolla, aguacate, and lime. And salsa. Falls apart. Look at that. You need a knife just to smash it. Look at that. And one ingredient I forgot to add was this. I added it towards the end. Some cloves. Maybe 2 tablespoons. Take some of that out. Put a little bit cilantro. Some cebollita. Put some avocado. Damn. Bomb, guys. Bomb. Just put a little squeeze a lime. Can't forget the lime, huh, guys? Let's put some salsita right on top. Bomb. Like I said, I haven't made carnitas 15, 20 years. All right. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited for this bite. Salud. Wow. I made that. I'm impressed. Very impressed. It's the best burrito that I've had at Carnitas in a long time. Bomb. Bomb, guys. Check them out. Golden brown. And then they fall apart really easy. Look at this. Ah, it's so hot. Falls apart really nice. Freaking bomb, guys. I taste the cinnamon, the cloves, the cumin, the salt, the orange. These carnitas are amazing. I forgot how easy this was to make. It just peels right off. Look at that. Damn, buddy. It's almost like pulled pork, but carnita style. You already know. I got to take a bite of this. You already know. Oh, man. No joke. These guys are good. Hands down. Well, gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. If you're new to the channel, ya sabes, please subscribe. I appreciate that. I'll see you guys next Friday. Gracias. Thank you.